What's going on, duty heads? It's Wednesday morning, 1 o'clock. Starting it off! There's a spider on your arm! Prank!
Itsy bitsy spider crawled into mama's bed, climbed for her hubby, bit him on the head. Mama lay there sleeping while hubby lay there dead. And the itsy bitsy spider crawled out of mama's bed.
Let's get to the day. Alright, so we are eating some taco salad. Leftover from last night. We got all the camping stuff, like the camping gear stuff, in the trunk. The food over here. It's thundering. Alright, well, we're gonna go on Friday, right? Friday. That means we gotta get up early. I was just sitting there watching the E3, watching the Xbox and Sony. I'm excited about the backwards compatibility. Played the 360 games. Yeah. Finally on the One. And the VR and the Oculus. That was crazy. Playing Minecraft on a table.
That was awesome.
You fell in a cat poop?
Every time. I told him. I knew. Look at that.
Yeah!
Serious look. He's like, okay. It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah. We heading to the gas station. So much for
Eli, don't step over.
putting everything in there. Should
Load down.
Yeah, because of that.
Everything's so flooded. Amber, there's a tornado.
Holy crap.
Prank. Hey Shane, you gotta go faster to this. Up here.
I might
Yeah.
put it out though. Go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Like a boat.
It starts to squeak.
Someone's squeaking bad.
What the heck?
In the bed.
What do they do? Go down and take pictures.
Yellow.
You look back like, oh, here. Oh, you did not.
Now you're gonna see yourself on YouTube's. On them boob tubes. Let's see how high this water is up here. Good Lord.
It's high,
McD.
These.
McD nuts.
The nuts.
Lord, I apologize.
I apologize, man.
Bless Lord Jesus and shepherds. Amen. America! Look at it! Oh, dang it. I think I missed
Did you
it.
miss it?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Missed. Oh, man.
Okay.
The kid was pushing the old man in a cart. Alright, we here at Old Growers. Go get some pizza. Some old the Jack's made for us. Right there. Let's get in there.
Get in there.
Get in there.
Get in there.
Get in there. Get in there. Here we're getting some one of these.
Got this?
No, I was just pointing.
Just point. Oh, do the same thing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Well.
Look at that.
Wait. Yellow.
No!
Okay. There you go. Yes.
Yellow.
Huh?
Don't you fart in my face!
Hurry, what fight?
Fight! Camera.
Fart, my fight!
Okay. Can we watch The Flash now?
Yes, tell him. Ow, my hair!
That's another show altogether.
Okay, we just paused the TV at 5 minutes in.
Yeah.
So we can't watch anything.
Nothing.
No, Bubby!
You got kids, forget movies, forget TV,
Forget games.
forget games.
Push.
Okay. Breathe. No, your back won't. Why isn't your boobs all red?
He was just like laying down.
Lay down on the ground.
Everybody gonna see your boobies. What's that? No, I'm serious. What is that? Serious, there's a black thing on right here. Still in there. See? Told you. Yeah.
Here, watch
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob movie.
Daddy! Daddy!
Where Squidward does the dance at the end. He did it on like another episode
Yeah.
one time where he was like, and then they like booed him off the stage. He was like, little tentacles were like, I'm doing the Fat Man dance right now, people.
Dang, that just seemed like full booby shot. Ryan's controller's gonna die.
Hey, you ready for Resident Evil?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alright, well, it's the next day and we're gonna go check out the house, see if it's how flooded it is. Because Shane said that it's a lake house now.
Lake house. Here's the creek.
Oh yeah, she's up.
And I can't tell where the edge of the bank is.
Oh my.
You're over here expecting to see it.
See it?
This was home.
Look how flooded that is.
The garden.
It's so crazy how our...
It's all the way up underneath the porch, dude. See? It's not up to the porch.
At least the porch is up high.
What?
It's just, his water was all
This-
the way up to his house.
This is the neighbor's
You
yard.
had a pump. See that thing? You were trying to run it. It's something.
All that
He's trying to
brown,
run it.
that was grass.
That was where water was.
It looks like his whole yard is full of dirt.
Pie.
Just dead
The
grass.
potato pie.
Just you can see it from.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this smells like poop out here.
See that?
Poop, poop. What's a poop?
That one all the way
A
back.
poop. A poop.
Stinks so much. It was all the way up here.
Come on, And get a little bit back to life.
It's a lot of burgers. Do they all come out your nose?
Yep. These are Vegas Krabby Patties.
Alright, well, I want to end it for today. It's kind of a mix between yesterday and today. So, it's getting close to 100, and I just don't want to sit on 99 vlogs until the 100th is done. So we're going to cook up and eat and relax, or watch some movies. Gotta get up early and get everything ready. I mean, it's pretty much already ready, but I need to edit this vlog before we leave tomorrow. We'll be gone until Monday. That's probably gonna be one video. But anyways, like, favorite, subscribe. Keep duty. Bye.